Hi, I'm Stefanie Mosca. We're here at IT Expo West 2011 in Austin, Texas, and I'm here with Joe Staples, CMO of Interactive Intelligence. Thanks for joining us today, Joe.
Thank you.
How's it going?
It's going great.
Great. I know that Interactive Intelligence has a pretty big announcement, so if you wouldn't mind filling our viewers in on what's going on.
So the crux of the announcement is around a new service that we're launching called QuickSpin. And it allows customers who are looking for cloud-based communications to actually test our service. So for a 14-day trial, all of this at no charge to the customer. 14-day trial, they can set up 10 users, 3 different skill sets, 5 different work groups. They can access the web client at the desktop and essentially get a very, very good feel for the service that we offer relative to our CAS offering.
Great. Now, in terms of the cloud in general, what trends are you seeing right now in the market?
Really a lot of movement towards the cloud. You know, I think that increasingly the barriers are gone. So people's concerns about security are past. People's concerns about how well the service will scale, those are in the past. So now they're focusing more on the benefits and saying, all right, so I can lower my total cost of ownership, I can reduce my IT staff, I can increase the flexibility of the applications that I'm able to receive. So for customers, migration of communications to the cloud just seems to make a lot of sense.
Great. Running into any challenges?
Challenges, you know, I think that the biggest challenge that we see still is how new some of this service is. You know, oftentimes in premise-based solutions, we're selling into a customer where they have deployed premise-based solutions for the last 15 or 20 years. Now they're actually having to make a culture shift and say, okay, instead of running software on hardware boxes in their own server rooms, they're trusting and handing that off to a vendor like us to run in the cloud. And that's just a culture shift. One of the things that we have seen is the more they've already cut their teeth on other cloud-based applications, you know, cloud-based CRM or email in the cloud, they're much more apt to be able to migrate those communications more easily.
Are you finding the educational process that needs to be implemented a barrier?
You know, it probably just slows the sales process a little bit down. It certainly isn't something that that presents a hard stop, but it causes companies to say, now wait a second, do we really want to move this to the cloud? What are the benefits? What are the things that we need to make sure we consider, kind of with any new technology?
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much for being here today, Joe. Once again, this is Stefanie Mosca at IT Expo West 2011 with Joe Staples of Interactive Intelligence.